Well, so today I'll be unboxing the new iPad M4 11-inch 2024 and some accessories. Let's get into it. Oh my goodness. Do we see it? Do we see the leather page? Set this off to the side. Look at this. I need to take some thumbnail pictures real quick. So I got the iPad M4 11-inch 24 in space black, 256 gigabytes, and standard glass. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There's no way. This feels mad light. This feels like I'm holding nothing. Oh my goodness. Look at the color. Look at this. Don't rush her. Right here, that's mad thin. Like, I'm gonna show y'all. Manuals, of course. We have the lovely USB-C cable. Matches my nail. Look at this. This is the iPad Air 3. Look at this. Look at this. Ain't that crazy? That's insane. I can't lie, I'm gonna have to look at the video on my phone. Like, I've never seen a screen protector this easy. The cleaning kit that it comes with. And the brand is ESR, by the way. Everything is numbered. This is really cool. So, red light number 1, 2, dust removal sticker, and 4. So, let's do it. This smells extremely strong. Damn. And press do. And slide your finger. Oh, that looks awesome. All done. It smells really, really strong. Okay, there's like 2 little air bubbles. Lovely bubbles. So. Peel off the inner and / outside protective film before using. It's so beautiful. Oh, child. Okay, it fits. It just needs to push in. Oh yeah, oh yeah. English. Oh my gosh, and look how fast it popped up, yo. That's crazy. Oh, it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. I can't wait. I can't wait to get my Apple Pencil. Because I love this case because it protects the whole iPad. I'm gonna set that up later. I don't know which one to do. Okay, let's do transfer from iPad. Agree. Continue. Turn on location services. Continue. Software update. Oh, damn. Okay. Update requested. I'm gonna have to be back because Wally is dying. So Wally's gonna have to be charged. The Osmo Pocket 3, and I'm gonna get my iPad. Plus, I got my Dream headphones on sale. Everything's working out accordingly. Like, bruh, I'm so happy. Like, that's why I really hard every day. Like, no matter what, I'm gonna find a way. Everything's gonna work out. And I'm putting in the hard work consistently. So it's like, this is just your sign to keep going, keep pushing, because you never know what can happen. Like, I didn't think I would get my dream camera, a new iPad, headphones, my job that I love to do in the film industry, which is something I love to do. Like, what? So I know next year is really my year just to pop off and just climb that ladder and just be successful, be consistent with myself, be better for myself, be healthy. I'm taking my health more seriously. I'm taking my content more seriously, working on my mental health, working on myself in general, and working on my goals, because the minute I get my goals together, it's done. So it's literally 1 minute till the transfer finishes. It took a little while, like about 15 minutes. Oh yeah, we finished transferring. Okay, restore completed. Apps in beta will continue downloading in the background. continue. Guess I'll do Face ID. Get started. Camera's still but it's okay. Y'all are catching the full rotations and everything. That was mad quick. Like there was, yo, that's crazy. Everything is jumbled right now. But yeah, I'm gonna do everything over. I actually made a wallpaper on my thing, and I might make a new one anyway. So I'm just gonna delete some apps, but I'll make when I'm done designing. See.